Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here at the range today, doing a little bit of plinking, definitely doing a little bit of goofing around, and I wanted to get this is my CZ452. I really wanted to get it out and try a challenge that Eli from Day at the Range has put up recently, but I'm not finding the good results that I really think I should be seeing with this gun yet, with the ammo that I've tried in it. And so we're gonna just do a little bit of ammo testing for tonight, and hopefully find something that it likes. And down the road we'll be able to, I need to wear my ghillie hat so I can use it as a sunshade. It really helps out a lot. The sun is directly in front of me right now. If I wait like half an hour, it'll be down below the trees, but I really don't want to wait, so. But let me give you a little flyby on this guy. It is open and empty. And it is a beautiful, beautiful gun, CZ452FS. And it has a code on both the receiver and the barrel. It says 03. I don't know if that means that it's a 2003. If anybody knows if that's the date code or not, let me know. Really beautiful gun. I have it topped off. Just put that on there actually this morning. My Riton, I believe it's their Conquer 6-24 by 50. Fantastic little scope. Actually, I was shooting. I was shooting some Eley 10X, and let's go ahead and it wasn't really liking that too much, or at least it wasn't acting like it did anyway. So I have 3 rounds in there still. Let's put 2 more in there, and then we'll shoot a group with that. So actually, I guess it's full. So it just was one round short. We'll see what kind of group. So when I was testing with it, it was half an hour ago, 35, 40 minutes ago, and the wind was blowing pretty good out here at that point. So, and now it's completely calmed down, so there's absolutely no wind at all. So maybe it'll start to work like we hoped it might. But I have some bunch of little splatter burst, 1-inch splatter burst pasted onto a regular target out there. So let's go right for the center with this one. Ooh, that bird flew right in front of the. I don't know if it came on camera, but it definitely was right in my field of view. Yeah, so now it's going to behave, so go figure. A little higher than the other ones, but still a decent looking group. Now, see, if it was shooting like that, I wouldn't be. We wouldn't be here right now. I don't know. I don't get it. Yeah, if it was shooting like that when I was working with it earlier, I would not. We wouldn't be sitting here having this conversation. So let's keep on with the Eley, I guess. I've got a couple other types of Eley here. I've got some Eley Target. So I'm assuming that, you know, if you've got it fouled in with one brand of ammo, that another type from that same brand should be pretty close to the same lube and fouling, right? I don't know. But all right, let's go see what this will do. Let's go to I got one about 11 o'clock. It's a fun gun. It's got a fantastic trigger. If I remember right, it was in the like 14 ounce vicinity. Going a little high on me there, but still nothing to complain about. Yeah, I mean, that's like a... one-inch group. I'd never complain about that. All right, so let's see what else I got. I got some Eley match. Let's try this. I don't have a lot of this, but might as well use it. I do have some Eley Club. We'll try that, and then I've got some Wolf and some SK Standard Plus. It's a fun little plink anyway. Just trying some different stuff out here. All right, let's see here. Let's go to 9 o'clock. I like that. Yeah, not bad. Must be this guy just doesn't like wind. He likes all this ammo for sure. I was shooting a practice target with this Captain America challenge, and I was getting ones and barely getting ones. I was like, yeah, I'm not putting that. I'm not going to post that score. Every one of those shots would have been at least a 4 so far, so. No, must have just been the wind, I guess. All right, let's do some Eley Club. We have a few more boxes of this left still, and the local store does have some of that. Probably should pick some more of that up. I went over there to grab some some more of that SK Standard Plus. That really seems to be shooting pretty good in most of my guns too, so I wanted to pick up a few more boxes of that, and they were out of it. I was really kind of disappointed. I wanted to pick up another maybe 10 boxes of that. All right, let's go to 7 o'clock. Ooh, that one sounded loud. Louder than the others. All right, that sun is just... it's just getting to where it's coming underneath my hat now. That is nothing to complain about either. This looks like a pretty good combo of this gun and this scope. Ooh. That ammo definitely sounds a bit more punchy for sure. All right, that was a little higher than the other groups, but overall, it's really not a bad group either. So let's see. Let's do some. Let's do a group with the wolf target. Maybe we'll do a couple. If the first one turns out okay, maybe we'll move on. But if the first one isn't that great, then maybe it's just because it needed to be seasoned in with the lead and lube from these bullets. I don't know. It does hold some weight. So I'm not going to go for the splatterburst. I'm going to go for there's a black heavy stripe that ends at the light green circle at 6 o'clock. I'm going to shoot right at that transition. That sun is completely washing me out here. All right. Wow, that's looking nice. Maybe I'll, maybe after the sun dips down and I've got a little bit of time here, I'll retry with this wolf if it keeps up here. Not shooting nice like that. Oh yeah, one ragged hole. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I think I found what this gun likes. So let's see, that one was empty. That one's full, that one's full. I got enough. I'm gonna try one group with this SK just to do it while you guys are on camera here. And then I think I'm gonna set up another Captain America challenge here and try it with that wolf. That really seemed like it's a tough challenge. To get a 5, to get the perfect score on each bull, your bullet has to be inside the blue ring. So you are there's not going to be many 5s. All right, let's go to what's that, about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. A lot of my guns really like that wolf match target. I wish I could find some more of it. All right, I think that was in the same hole as well. For this gun, just having like a taper profile on the barrel, just really not a, like match, not really a match gun with a heavy, huge bull barrel and everything. This is such a fantastic shooting gun. All right, let's see here. That's not bad either, but that really did good. Okay, so you guys saw what I did there. I mean, all of them groups are right around an inch or less. That group with the wolf is probably 5/8 of an inch. I think I can get a good score with that on one of these Captain America targets. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this guy up and start a new video with that. But I hope you guys like this video. Fantastic CZ 452 FS full stock, and what a nice gun. If you guys get a chance to get your hands on a CZ, it won't treat you wrong, I guarantee you. So anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.